Hi everyone, traffic is a big challenge in developed cities, but thanks to technology and innovative thinking, many smart traffic solutions are being applied to improve urban areas. Let's find out these measures in the video. Snow on the road can obscure signs and pose a hazard to drivers. However, with a specially installed system, snow can be removed instantly using technologies such as automatic defrosters or snow clearing mechanisms. Road maintenance often causes traffic congestion and wastes drivers' time. However, Switzerland has solved this problem by implementing effective maintenance measures that do not disrupt traffic. The mobile vehicle bridge allows vehicles, including trucks, to move smoothly without disrupting traffic. Workers can still perform repairs and monitor work under the bridge safely and efficiently without affecting traffic. Take a look at this monster machine, and what do you think it is used for? The machine is designed like a mobile particle accelerator, but it is not a snowplow. It is equipped with rotating brushes and spray nozzles to clean the road, removing dirt and debris. When a fire breaks out in a tunnel, an integrated fire suppression system is crucial as the fire spreads quickly and evacuation is limited. The system includes automatic sprinklers, heat and smoke sensors, which help extinguish the fire quickly and minimize damage. Every minute counts in this situation. If you think these guys make roads out of foam, then you are almost right. It is gel foam, a very light but very durable material. This system is used to reinforce roads and improve the durability of traffic routes, especially in difficult terrain areas. It is not only applied in improving infrastructure but can also solve other engineering problems. I don't know how sewer repairs were done before, but this method seems to work. This impressive device allows you to replace visors and repair cutouts much faster. Really heavy traffic needs to be controlled on the Golden Gate Bridge, a barrier made up of more than 3,500 people, elements that protect cars from collisions. The machine is an advanced device that helps manage traffic by moving barriers and creating new lanes every hour. This concrete paver is a work of art in the construction industry, performing the job with precision and perfection. This traffic light is an important road safety initiative that helps protect motorcyclists. It uses sensor technology to determine whether a rider is wearing a helmet. The green light only comes on when the rider is wearing a helmet properly. Safety barriers made from polymer rather than metal or concrete are designed to protect workers in warehouses and loading areas from forklifts. With their flexibility and impact-absorbing properties, polymer barriers minimize the impact of fast-moving forklifts without endangering workers or damaging equipment. Reliable brakes are key to highway safety, and this model has some amazing features. The modular structure of the light is easy to install and can withstand collisions with trucks, providing protection for both barriers and vehicles. The modular design allows for quick repairs, with the ability to replace individual components without replacing the entire system, making maintenance simple and possible by a single person. The system also protects pedestrians by minimizing the risk of injury. This structure, located at the rear of the truck, acts as a mobile airbag, absorbing the impact of a collision and helping to protect the driver in the event of an accident. This modular system will self-destruct to minimize the impact of a collision, protecting the vehicle and minimizing damage. It is often installed on support vehicles in road construction. Seeing an overturned truck on the road, have you ever thought about how it was lifted? These guys use special pads, as you can see with them. It only takes a few seconds. The more lights you build on the road, the safer it is. And safety has never been so stylish. This luminous coating helps you stand out in the dark, creating the effect of a character in a sci-fi or action movie. Not everywhere road repairs are quick. However, in Germany, they have found a way to fix the loopholes. This material is made up of particles that form strong bonds when heated with it. Potholes take only 20 minutes. The world has seen a road blocker that is capable of stopping even a truck. This giant blocker does not move even if a heavy vehicle collides with it at high speed. This imposing barrier is sturdy and cleverly designed to stop any vehicle, especially criminals' vehicles. Placed in strategic locations and carefully guarded, it creates a no-go zone that no one can cross. This method is also used in Canada to operate this machine, which only requires 2 people. Have you ever wondered how long it takes to lay the bricks you walk on every day? Probably a lot. But it seems like soon every road will be paved by these brick printers. This automated technology allows the necessary materials to be loaded into the machine, which then automatically assembles them like a puzzle, creating complete structures quickly and accurately. This process saves time and money while minimizing manual labor. In Germany, the concern for maintaining the cleanliness and safety of tunnels is reflected in the development of a special washing vehicle. This vehicle is specially designed, equipped with water jets and brushes to effectively clean the surfaces in the tunnel. South Korea has created a road irrigation system to solve the problem of melted asphalt and road dust. The road irrigation system operates autonomously, using thermal sensors to measure the temperature of the road surface and automatically spraying water when the temperature exceeds the threshold, helping to reduce asphalt temperature and dust. The Introvert Gas Station is an AI-powered initiative that allows customers to fill up without getting out of their cars or interacting with staff. Once parked in the right spot, the system automatically recognizes the car and the customer, calculates and debits the amount needed for refueling. An innovative solution has emerged, recycling plastic from these garbage islands to build roads. Using recycled plastic not only reduces pollution, but also provides a sustainable and cost-effective material for building infrastructure. Safe bike lanes are great, but express bike lanes are even better. Advanced modular structures, assembled like Lego pieces, provide flexibility and safety for transportation infrastructure. These modules can be easily integrated into any infrastructure, saving construction time and costs. A Swedish startup has developed a concept for special charging roads for electric vehicles that would allow them to charge on the go without stopping or plugging in a charging cable. This technology would allow electric vehicles to receive energy from the road, reducing the need for fixed charging stations and saving drivers time. A Turkish startup has developed technology that turns traffic into electricity. The system uses small turbines mounted on the road to capture energy from the airflow created by moving vehicles. This energy is converted into electricity, and the creators hope that in the future these turbines will be able to power an entire house. This technology does more than just solve traffic congestion. How much do you think it would cost to have a tunnel lit 24 hours a day? In a tunnel in Belgium, a smart lighting system was installed to save energy and ensure driver safety. The system automatically adjusts the light intensity based on weather conditions and traffic flow. When the weather is bad or there is a lot of traffic, the light is brighter, while when there is less traffic or the sky is bright, the light is dimmer. Barriers between bicycle paths and cars have become an effective solution to protect cyclists from the dangers of moving next to heavy cars. These barriers create a safe space, making cyclists feel comfortable and less anxious when facing large vehicles. The invention is a lightweight plastic piece with a special design that helps manage water in flood situations. Although simple, it can quickly form a water barrier, protecting residential areas and important facilities. The automatic sand and salt spreader with 50-liter tank improves the efficiency in dealing with snow and ice on the road. Although not the most optimal method, it has proven effective by spreading the material accurately and evenly. The traffic monitoring system uses artificial intelligence and special sensors to control the speed of vehicles. When the driver moves within the speed limit, the system does not intervene, but if the limit is exceeded, it automatically triggers a warning. In addition, the system also recognizes emergency vehicles such as police cars or ambulances and does not impede the journey. In areas with harsh winters, cleaning a snow-covered roof every morning can be a huge challenge, time-consuming and tiring. However, the solution to this problem is special snow scrapers that can be placed under the roof of the car to automatically remove accumulated snow. This road cleaner, although not as effective as others, impresses at first sight thanks to its modern design and high technology. Harsh winters put workers at risk of slipping and falling on icy roads, accidents they don't want to experience again. But one city in Michigan has decided to take the issue seriously. There they created a sidewalk de-icing system. A network of hot water discharge pipes. The Lajota printer is a technical masterpiece with advanced technology, different from traditional printers. The machine can lift up to 700 kilograms to pave a large area with stone blocks. This document deals with the installation of new artificial speed bumps on roads, not to fill holes but to reduce speed effectively and safely. Polyurethane speed breakers, although seemingly simple, are both elegant and effective. They are quick to install, taking less than an hour without disrupting traffic flow. These speed breakers have an elegant and modern design, a complete departure from the clunky traditional spikes.